We are delighted that you are interested in Scan2Lead Station. This video is a step-by-step tutorial. I will tell you some basics and how to use the product. Scan2Lead Station is a handheld scanner that connects to your laptop via USB or to a laptop that you can rent from us. To use Scan2Lead Station, your laptop must have a continuous internet connection so that the application can function properly and in a stable manner. No additional software installation is necessary. This solution is particularly suitable for stationary locations such as reception desks or central entrance areas of your trade show booth. Before the scanner can be used, it must be connected to the laptop via USB. Enter the mentioned website in your browser. Use Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Then proceed as shown in the video. Click on the Connect button and select the device. Then scan the QR code on the screen to activate the device. Now you can scan visitors. Scanning is also very easy. To scan, simply hold the device over the code and press the scanner button. The scanner lights up green when the scan is successful. The scanned person appears on your laptop with all the details. You can now continue on the screen. There you can add specific information about the person if anything is missing. In this example, the position is added. You can also use the star rating, the lead form, or add notes. You can also forward the lead to another person of the booth staff. You can switch to the Scan2Lead portal as well. All scans and changes are visible in the Scan2Lead portal when you refresh the website. For more information, you can also check out our Help Center. You can find the link in the description of this video. Please feel free to contact us to schedule a consultation. Let us help make your exhibition presence a success.